precision, the bowlers will fancy their chances of early wickets.
We're about to get underway and already the crowd is up and about. This is looking to be a great day of cricket. Smacks that away through the gap. Nice shot, but straight to gully. A new batter always likes to feel bat on ball as they bring a bit of nervous energy to the wicket. Smacks that away through the gap.
What a lovely shot. Really good timing out of the middle and raced to the boundary.
Down the ground, lovely shot. Mid-off chasing. That could be 4.
That was a boundary the moment the ball left the bat. Can't time that any better. Perfection.
Massive outside edge. Smashed all over the park. I wonder if the captain will stick with them. Going with pace now.
The new bowler into the attack for India.
Head over the ball. Great shot. That's racing away.
Well, the delivery was poor. Still needed to be put away, though. And what a lovely shot to find the boundary.
Perfectly timed.
Well, you can't fault that shot. Nicely played, and it was 4 runs all the way.
Magical batting. Nothing the bowler can do other than watch the ball go all over the ground. Patel given the job here to bowl the last over of the innings. Swept away but finds the fielder. Onto that early. That could be 4.
Ers on the side of bowling slightly fuller, and they've been put away.
50 up for Australia between these two.
Does very well to quickly get across to this one.
Patel to Fraser.
Time that perfectly.
Starting to hit their stride. A fabulous piece of timing, and they're into the 20s. That was a lovely flowing drive through the covers to pick up the 4.
And the innings comes to an end. This is a very defendable total. The openers will need to get their eye in very quickly and get the scoreboard ticking over if they have any chance. Lovely cover drive, but straight to the extra cover fielder. The left-arm pace bowler is coming into the attack from the north end.
Showed good composure to wait on that slower ball and find room to get the 4 runs. Just a fantastic shot.
Head over the ball. Great shot. That's racing away.
They picked the slower ball right away. Wasn't a bad delivery, but dispatched to the boundary with ease. Well, that was timed very, very well. Great shot, driven down the ground and flew over the boundary. Caressed that nicely through the gap to the boundary.
Edged it. No one there. It could be 4. Really playing all their shots that over. Very expensive. The right arm fast bowler is coming into the attack from the south end. Glanced away nicely, but fine short, fine leg.
Threaded it through brilliantly. All timing on that shot.
Over India, a 37 for none.
At the end of the 3rd, they've had a massive start, ahead of the required run rate now. Need to keep going, though.
The right armour is coming into the attack from the north end. Perfect, right out of the middle and bludgeons that one to the boundary.
That is a masterclass of batting.
Oh my, that's just flown off the middle.
It just looks so easy.
Zampa shouldn't be too worried about that last ball. They've got them playing their shots. Just need to tighten their areas now. That's the big one, a maximum. Away she goes. If you lose the pictures, it's because it's hit the broadcast truck. Maxwell, the spinner, coming into the attack. Into the gap.